Okay, this is stock number 11-186K. It's a 2005 Honda Pilot EXL. 3.5 J35 California V6, automatic. Had it running for about, 20 minutes or so. No noises, no smoke, no overheat, no fluid transfers, no anything. Transmission bumped fine, but I just got the loader to move out of the way, so let's take it for a spin and see what she does. We got 224, 448 on the clock, so a little high on the miles. Maintenance lights on, but not the check engine. And the tire pressure sensor on the right front, I think, is junk. Okay, where's he going? Hang on one sec. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So far, so good. Alignment's off. But the brakes seem alright. Yes, I know I don't have my seatbelt on. Shifts in all the gears, no slipping, no slamming. Wasn't an overdrive for long, but it did go in. Yeah. Seems like the drivetrain's good.